Hey guys, welcome to Indulgent Fare. Now, a lot of you heard organic, a lot of you heard homegrown cooking, growing your own vegetables, and here is a master at it. We're going to show you, he says not a master, but we're going to show you one of the vegetables that he's grown, one of the vegetables that we could potentially be pickling. So, Josh, you want to show us what you guys have got, what you guys have in your garden here?
We've got a very humble setup of some zucchinis, a whole messy tomatoes,
Yep.
and two cucumber plants.
Right.
Some cucumbers already shown. I'll put them in the ground because we're out of space.
Yep.
We've got a little cookie there. Got a whole heap of cookies there. We've got, they're all just starting. They're flowering. Trying to get pollinated. See, there's three over here. One over here. There's one over here. And these are our little pollinators over there. Up here on the leaf. They jump from one flower to another and pollinate it.
Alright.
These are eggplant flowers. So hopefully they spread up as well. And this one we're going to take off for dinner. There you go,
Wow, that's huge.
They got bigger, but they're good flavour.
So guys, check that out. That is homegrown, that is true organic, that is real. That is something you can't buy from the store, obviously. There's no pesticides involved, there's nothing like that. This is as real as it gets. So, Josh,
Got some tomatoes too.
let's check out the tomatoes. Oh, those are babies.
Some nice big tomatoes. Seem small, but you can't see them. It's messy.
That's true, they smell amazing, they smell fresh. Josh, can you tell us a little bit about your garden setup? How did you get this done? What did you use? What was the whole system?
Oh, I just got some soil.
Yep.
I put it in there and I just planted it completely messy and completely like, you know, meant to
So
plant.
would you say it's like, let's say if it, out of a difficulty scale, would you say it's very difficult to get these plants to grow, or is it more
I'm really lazy, so I usually just learn by trial and error.
Nice.
Because I can put this in down sessions. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work.
Yep.
This one's worked so far.
Seems to work quite well.
Seems to have worked.
Yeah.
So each their own, but you could do some research on how to do it properly. You need some land. You need some land. You need some soil.
So a bit of land, bit of soil.
And just
tell us about well, you need nature, right? What's the story of that? Is that something you buy from like the Bunnings, or is that something you
yeah,
buy
I just got some tips from Bunnings.
Yep.
Put some stuff tickets in.
Yep.
Just knock it up.
Yep.
For like half an hour.
Right.
Ordered a cube of soil.
Yep.
Got a cube and a half of soil. Just barreled it in and just planted it.
And would you remember what type of soil it is, just general?
I just got topsoil and then I
Topsoil.
mixed chicken poo and I think horse poo into it.
Guys, remember that. So chicken poo, horse poo, if you want to do this at home, if you have the room, if you have the land, it's something to do. Now guys, come in a little bit closer. So Josh is going to donate some of his beautiful cucumbers for us to pickle.
Yes.
Once again, organic, homegrown, that's what we're all about. We're going to try it out, and we're going to see how it goes on the next episode, where we're actually going to have a video about these organic, homegrown pickles that we've used here as a recipe, and hope you guys like it.
Hopefully
Check it out. Hopefully they taste good. We'll do a taste test.